So welcome students. So in this question you're given that f of 2 is 4 and f dash of 2 is also equal to 4. And you're asked to find limit x tends to 2 x f of 2 minus 2 f of x by x minus 2. So obviously as you can see from direct substitution you're getting 0 by 0 form. So if you directly substitute x is equal to 2, you have 2 f of 2 minus 2 f of 2, which is 0 by 0. So I can use L'Hospital rule. So this limit which is asked is same as limit x tends to 2 x times f of 2, the differentiation is 2, minus 2 times f dash of x divided by 1. So once indeterminacy has been cancelled, I just need to put x is equal to 2 in the limit. So f of 2 is 4 minus 2 times f dash of 2 is also equal to 4. So 4 minus 8 is minus 4. Option C is the right answer to this question. Thank you.